Hi everyone, so today we'll be unboxing the HP 14-inch laptop model number 14DQ2053CL. This is the model that you get in Costco and you can also get it in Amazon. It's a pretty nice lightweight laptop, very much entry level, but in terms of the specs and price, probably one of the better deals out there in the market. So this one comes with, this is the 11th generation Intel Core i3 112425G4 processor. It comes with 8 gig of RAM, and the important thing is that it comes with 256 gig of SSD drive, which makes it super fast in terms of disk access. It's 14-inch Full HD screen, and comes with HD audio and stereo speakers, backlit keyboard. The weight is about 3.25 pounds. So let's get started. Okay, so take this out. Comes with the instructions, product information. Don't think I'll need that. So, in addition to the laptop itself, it comes with the warranty card. Let's keep that there, and it comes with the power adapter. So I will certainly need that. And let me keep the box away. Okay, so let's see what's here. Okay, let's take it out of the cardboard packaging. Keep this out of the way. Okay, let me take the cellophane wrapper from this. Okay, my first impressions are that it's nice size and also fairly lightweight. It's about 3.25 pounds that I mentioned earlier, and it's a very nice form factor, good for students and work like that. In terms of ports, I can see that there are two USB-A port out here, two USB-A ports. There is a USB-C port, and this is the power charging point. This is the headphone jack, and on this side this is the SDXC card reader. So in terms of ports, it's fairly well equipped, at least for the basic needs. I would have liked to have more USB-C ports, but that's how it is. And yeah, you see the HDMI port as well, which is useful if you want to connect your monitor to this. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, let me remove this covering material for the keyboard. The keyboard is nice. Okay, so let me start this up. Let me power it up. Let's see. Okay, so I'm powering it up now. As you can see, this is a backlit keyboard, which looks very nice. It's booting up the operating system. Since this is booting up for the first time, I would expect it to take a little bit longer than usual, as it installs all the drivers and things like that. It comes with a fingerprint sensor as well, which is very nice. Okay, so it's all ready to be set up. In terms of first impressions, I think this is fairly solidly built. It's got all the connectivity that you need in terms of the
To set
ports.
up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Yeah, in terms of ports, it's fairly well equipped. It's got USB-A as well as USB-C connectivity, and it's got an HDMI port as well. And the keyboard is quite nice. It's backlit, and the screen size, although 14-inch may seem small, but it looks pretty good. And overall look and feel of this is pretty sleek. So I would definitely recommend this laptop for any entry-level needs you may have, like schoolwork and things like that. It's a pretty good kit, and typically it's on sale in Costco, so you can get it for something like $350, so which is pretty good price for something of this quality. Okay, so that was my unboxing and first impression video of the HP laptop 14-inch. Thank you for watching.